The incidence rate of lung cancer among smokers is 10 per thousand and among non-smokers is 1 per thousand. The extent to which lung cancer can be attributed to smoking is. The options are A 10%, B 90%, C 1% and D 100%. Okay. First of all, let's see the equation of attributable risk. Attributable risk AR is equal to incidence among exposed minus incidence among non-exposed divided by incidence among exposed into 100. Okay. So first of all, we know that incidence among exposed, that is among smokers, is 10 by 1000 and incidence among non-smokers, that is non-exposed, is 1 per 1000, that is 1 by 1000. So we have 10 by 1000 minus 1 by 1000 by 10 by 1000, okay, into 100. So you will get like 9 by 1000 divided by 10 by 1000 into 100. It will be 90%. So the attributable risk will be 90%, that is option B.